I'm just gonna do it slowly because I don't want a big head. It's okay, sweetheart. Look, that head is awful. Oh my God, that's so bad. Hi, I'm Saoirse Ronan and I'm playing Snack Wars UK versus Ireland with LADbible. We are doing Ireland today for obvious reasons because I am very, very Irish. Oh, niceies. Okay, that looks like Jameson from here, is it? Oh no, it's Bailey's. Yeah, well, I mean, it says Irish on it, so. And then this is Scottish, yeah. I mean, I kind of feel like I'm half Scottish now, so I think I might get a smack if I don't choose this, but.
Would you like any ice?
Yeah, if you've got some.
Yeah.
Hilarious. Oh, hello, have a wee dram. Smoky, woody, floral, peaty. Gonna be locked by the end of this. Locked is a word that we use for drunk in Ireland. It's really nice, Bailey's. I'm gonna go for the whiskey though, because I think I look harder if I choose whiskey. Can I open my eyes now?
Yes.
Oh, yes. This is a packet of Tayto crisps, Irish crisps. I actually never put two and two together until about 3 years ago that they're called Tayto because they're made out of potatoes. I'm gonna do 2 slices of bread, and you can either make a little sandwich out of it and sort of crunch it like that, or you can do what's called a fumble, which you would usually use with a heel, so like the last piece of the loaf, but I'll just do this for today. Give it a bit of a crunch, cut it in half. I do it on a sort of diagonal just because that's how I was raised. And enjoy. 10 out of 10. And then this is Tesco deli style cheese and pickle. It looks a bit dry. Looks like there's some like avocado in there, some spinach, and some like pickled cabbage or something like that. So kind of spicing it up a little bit. It's nice, but it's not my crisp sandwich. Oh. This is my winner. What's that? Old Speckled Hen. Distinctive English pale ale. I don't like pale ales. An old can of Guinness. You can't beat it.
Do you want a glass?
Yeah, what am I like? Such a lad, just like.
With a tricky one to pull though.
Yeah.
It is a tricky one. Should I do it like that? Or should I do it on the side? You're not sure, are you? Should I do it on the side? I'll do it like that. I'm just gonna do it slowly because I don't want a big head. It's okay, sweetheart. Look, that head is awful. Oh my God, that's so bad. What a dreadful head that is. I'm so sorry. I don't love Guinness out of the can. That is nice as well. I honestly, like, I'd be shot if I didn't choose Guinness, so I think I'll probably, although they're very nice, but I'm still gonna stick with my own. Ah, interesting choice. So here we've got, I pronounce it Balamallow. I don't know if it's Balamallow or Balamallow, but I always say Balamallow. And it comes from Cork, which is my favourite county in Ireland. Sorry, Dublin, but it is. It's delicious, and I've grown up having this relish on everything. My mum puts it on everything.
What do you have it with normally?
Have it with like cheese. You'd have it on a sandwich. Bit of cheese and ham. And then what is this? The gentleman's relish. That sounds rude. Perfect spread on toast, crackers, or blinis. Yeah, that's so much more British than everything. You just put it on a bit of bread and cheese. I will say, I don't want to like, you know, upset anyone, but I do really like the packaging of this. I love Balamallow. I love Cork. I love Ireland. But I do like the packaging for this. Ooh, this looks lovely. Doesn't smell so nice though. It kind of looks like a pate or something. Right. I'll try this one first. I don't know what that is. Yeah, it's nice. I feel like they'd actually go really well together. It's very salty though.
What do you think it is?
Oh, I have to guess what it is. It tastes like it's got capers in it or something. I don't know, or like anchovies.
Yes.
Has it got anchovies in it?
Yeah.
I do like anchovies.
It's a spicy anchovy paste.
Yeah, it's nice. I think that'd be nice in like maybe a pasta or something. I will say these actually go really well together. Because Balamallow is very sweet. So it's quite nice to just wash that down with the Balamallow. I'm gonna have to pick the Balamallow. I grew up with it. I know it. It never lets me down. But I do really like the gentleman's relish as well. Oh, minis. Jammie Dodger minis. These are Irish. These are from the UK. But I've always loved Jammie Dodgers and Mallows. Oh, they're very small.
Very cute.
I like small things. I love the Jammie Dodger. Look how pretty these are. They're so pretty. I mean, they're both very, very pretty. I love these. I love them. I like that there's different consistencies, textures. It's just the right amount of sweetness. The coconut is really refreshing. It's more cakey than biscuity, which I like. So these win for me this time.
Ireland won!
Yay! Ireland won! I'm Irish! I love this game.
Jelly tots, right?
Yeah, like kids.
How would you say that in a lilting English accent?
Jelly tots.
Jelly tots. I love how subtly you said it. Perfect. Jelly tots.